What's going on YouTube? It's your girl Elijah.
And Dom.
And we are both the co-owners of the Women Trade 2 channel, and we are excited.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Down below because we need it. Because we're new, ain't nobody here yet. So we appreciate you for tapping in with us and just listen to what we have to say because, we got a lot to say.
So I figured we'd start off by telling you guys what we trade. I mainly trade SPX, but I used to focus on pairs such as GA and CAD JPY, which used to be two of my favorite pairs to trade.
So a little bit about my journey is I started about 2.5 years ago. I did start with IML. After that, I went over and started learning from Swaggy, of course. That's where me and Dom met. And then we started being trading partners, and then we started being best friends, and then we started being work partners, and then we started running shit. So besides that, so I started with like CJ, UJ, and eventually I got over to GJ. Dom knows how protective I was about my pairs because no one was allowed to trade them. I was a retail trader. I'm now an institutional trader mixed with a little bit of retail. I like to trade order blocks, failed swings, strike and reverses, and breaker blocks. So that's what my strategy consists of. Not much on the daily, more on the 4 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour, 30 minute, 15, 5, and 2 minute
Girl, you
time
just
frame.
all the time.
Did I name all of them? I didn't name 3. We decided to start this channel because, one, I don't think there's a lot of women traders out there. I think there's a lot of female traders out there. I don't think that they're in the forefront of people's mind when they think of day traders. So we're just trying to get the ball rolling on, a bunch of females starting out, talking their shit, and, just taking over shit because, like, women do it better. But that's why me and my best friend decided to partner on this. Our boss is kind of running this shit, so we just decided, we should just take over for the women. So that's what we're gonna do. Time to get into the video. Are you ready?
Now, looking at SPX, we can see that it is in a downtrend. And I like to see what major daily order blocks we have going here. So right now I can see we have one over here, which price is reacting by. Once I've looked at the daily, I do like to go to the 4 hour. And as you can see here, there was a nice head and shoulder on the 4 hours for that sell, plus the touch of the trend line. I really like to trade from level to level when it comes to SPX, and I also like to use order blocks, trend lines, Fibonacci. So the 4 hour order block that I have up there is no longer valid. It is now considered a breaker block, but that is where I will be watching what price does and how price reacts there. I am hoping to enter for a sell for SPX this week, but again, you have to learn to react and adapt to what the market gives you. You cannot marry your bias because that's when things go wrong. I do like to trade on the 30 minute. I usually use MetaTrader 4 for that and not TradingView. I usually just keep my higher time frames on TradingView, and then when I'm actively trading or placing a trade, I am using MetaTrader 4. So yeah, that is kind of what I am looking for. I don't like to overcomplicate my stuff, but I usually know what I'm looking for and just pay attention to market structure and price action. Also, if you guys stick around till the end of the video, we will be leaving bloopers in pretty much all our videos other than market breakdowns if we do them separately, because we kind of don't take each other seriously, or we don't take ourselves seriously, so you can expect a lot of us joking around. We laugh at each other and we'll laugh at ourselves.
Take me seriously because I don't play no games.
Flashback.
But no, seriously, when we are on Zoom, we tend to play around, joke, laugh because we are friends outside the market. It's not just about trading, it's about enjoying yourself, having fun when you're on the charts, and being in your own world. And when you're trading, you don't want to have too much stress on you. You don't want to be overthinking as much as you do maybe outside of trading. So yeah, we play, we laugh, we talk shit, we do that stuff.
End of flashback.
Since this is an introduction video, I don't want to go too much in depth of how I analyze and view the market. I just want to give you guys an overview, and then if you have any comments, questions, or feedback, make sure you leave the comments below so that way I can create separate videos on those concepts that you may have questions on. Okay, so for me, I start off on the daily time frame, and I want to identify either one of these 3 things before scaling down to the 4 hour time frame. If I have a bearish order block on the daily time frame, so what I'm looking for, since the market is bearish right now, is for price to pull up into this order block before continuing to sell. After scaling down from the daily time frame and looking at the 2 hour and 4 hour, I identified a 2 hour order block
that I see price rejection off of 2 times, creating a double bottom. A few things I like to keep in mind about GJ is these reversal areas between the 2 and 300, 8 and 900 level, and also the reversals and rejections off of these Fibonacci retracement levels. Once price comes down to any of my areas, I like to scale down to the 2-minute time frames to see if I can identify any candlestick patterns for me to enter off of so I can minimize my risk and also increase my reward. Because this area is the 78.6 fib level, it's also a 2-hour order block, and it's between those two levels of 8 and 900. I like to see what I can get from there. So as you can see, I see an inverted head and shoulder. Right here is a break of structure and a pullback with a double bottom, and that is where I usually get my entries. So I did get an entry off of this area right here. My stop loss is below here right now in the current trade that I'm in. And this is how my chart looks like right now with the trade that I'm currently in. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to leave them in the comments.
Thank you guys for watching our video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below. And make sure you turn your post notifications on because we have more content coming soon that we saved up in the chamber. So we will be releasing it shortly. If you have any suggestions, feedback, make sure you leave it down below because we are going to read through every single one and try to apply it to our stuff. Remember, we are beginners in YouTube and we don't have a lot of experience with it, but we are going to try to get to it and be as active as we can. So just bear with us. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your girl, Elijah and Dom. It's Dom and Elijah. It's Dom and Elijah. Yeah. Check us out on the next video. What? Check us out on the next video. That's me. And I'm Dominique.
I'm not doing my full name.
First of all, bitch, it don't matter if my TV little because I
A
get
bank
enough
account's
money if I want to. Yeah. What you say?
It don't matter if my TV is small, my bank account's big.
Whoa.
Other way. Other way.
I'm coming.
No, other way.
Other way where? No. Why would you? I'm right and you're wrong.
No, I'm
Oh,
right.
we're flipped, aren't we?
Is he filming a video right now?
I'm not my bedtime now.
It's not my bedtime now? No, mommy's trying to do YouTube. I don't know if I can curse on here. Can you curse on here?
Yeah, you can.
Stay tuned for more breakdowns, content, giveaways. We ain't giving you a lot of shit, you know? Let's sit the fuck down. Get some potato. Bye.
Bye.
I wouldn't do that. Really
Okay.
low. How can you're gonna have to do it fast
Okay.
because I can't be standing on my legs like that. Okay.
Okay.
Bye. Thanks for watching.
Bye. I went down the other way.
What?
I went down like this way.
The Dom and Elijah show. Do, 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 bitch.
Show them.